Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, I introduced you to RPA, what it is and what it is not, what are its merits and demerits, where it's used and discussed about the future projections of RPA, etc. In this video, we are going to bring up a new term CPA, which stands for Cognitive Process Automation, which is just an extended version of RPA. It's just another name for RPA with cognitive abilities which can even handle unstructured data. But before anything, you must know that there are mainly two types of RPA bots, attended and unattended. An attended bot is simply that bot which is initiated by a human, whereas an unattended bot is pre-scheduled to initiate automatically at a specific time or initiated through a trigger in the process flow. Let's recall the demerits I told you in the previous video, that there are some processes called as anomalies, which can only be handled by a human, and for this I also gave you an example of data extraction, where if any error transpires in the extracting document, then a human is required to amend the data because the bots don't possess human intelligence. In other words, human involvement is inevitable, though this is not an issue until the number of processes is in an average range. But as this number begins to reach magnificent values, the probability of errors also increase. Then the whole point of using RPA to save time, money, and to reduce redundancy, etc. becomes futile. In this situation, an automation technology with intelligence resembling to that of human is of essence. To give you more precise understanding, here's another example. Let's take the case of invoice processing from an e-commerce website. Definitely, you can automate on an invoice using plain RPA, but only when the invoice is written in the same language that the RPA bot can understand. In the case of information written in foreign language, the plain RPA bot will fail to process on it. Here at Intelligic, the programmers have created cognitive bots using AI technologies like machine learning, optical character recognition, and natural language processing, etc. Our bots, by using their AI power like OCR, can comprehend that same invoice and automate on it. It can also learn to handle exceptions and make proper predictions using machine learning. Now what if the data you want to automate on contains an image, audio, video, etc., which are also known as dark data or unstructured data. Here again, plain RPA can't be used, but Intelligic's DW Maker comes with cognitive abilities to also handle such kind of complex data like NLP to understand the words in audio, or image recognition for scanning images, etc. Now you don't have to worry about complexities lying either in the data or the automation process, as the DW Maker can handle it all. With this, I hope you have a crystal clear understanding of CPA and how it is different from RPA. To learn more about automation and ACE in RPA programming through Intelligic's automation system, subscribe and stay tuned. Until then, see you later.